wiring up LAN cables. Like in the middle of sticking RJ45 cable through the tiniest of plastic holes. I can barely see it. I think I might need glasses. Okay. And I'm wondering if there's a better way of doing this. I've got loads of cables to do. RSJB is the order of the cables. With my cutter, tool, and then add the cap on. Make sure it's in all the way. Before I do the cap, I've decided to leave this for now because I'm not convinced of the quality of the LAN cable connectors. I'm going to get ones that the little cables actually like are wired into and not just sitting on against like the metal. So because I don't want to have to redo them if they get pulled out or anything. So I'll order those, and probably in a couple of weeks we'll have a look at this again.
No spirit level. But I won't say anything if you don't. The green ones are all various cables going to sensors and other types of equipment throughout the house. They're slightly different, I think got 6 little cables in there, so they'll be connected in there eventually, or to other things once solar comes and that sort of stuff. Solar panels in the system. So I've got a bit of a job to do with these connectors then eventually. The white ones are TV cables and the blue internet, so yep, step by step we're getting it done.
basically I'm just testing it now. Oh, I forgot that now. So I forgot that.